Mod Squad.
The show's about to start, let's keep it clean. Mods in control, yeah, they run this scene. No spam, no scams, no fake schemes. Our mods are a powerhouse team.
Jesse on the watch, yeah, quick with the block. Spammers getting zapped, kick straight off the spot. Links in the chat, dropping knowledge, no slack. Scammers stepping out of line, ain't no coming back. J Violet, the late night mod, all the way from Oz, holding it down while the rest hit pause. Market never sleeps, so the squad stay ready. Trolls try to creep, nah, time for the machete. Quick to smoke them trolls, yeah, they gone. Spam in the chat, comments withdrawn. Keep the place clean, running it tight. Mods got the power, they're in control day and night. Alexandra G, the real OG mod queen, dropping key links, keeping the chat pristine. No cap, no scams, no shady deceit. Try to test the rules, man, you'll be outbeat. J Violet, Jesse, Alexandra G, all in sync. Never needing to ask, they always drop the link. The stream is on, the blueprint set. Keep the space safe, that's a mod's mindset. Quick to smoke them trolls, yeah, they gone. Spam in the chat, comments withdrawn. Keep the place clean, running it tight. Mods got the power, they're in control day and night. No time for the noise, no time for the fake. Scammers beware, better know what's at stake. Jesse got the hammer, he's the light police. Get those numbers up, they need to increase. J Violet got the range, she's up all night. Keeping the chats clean, she's the light. Alexandra G with the mod queen reign. Never cross her, you will feel the pain. Late night grind, but the mods don't sleep. Keeping it sharp, yeah, the team run deep. We are building it right. No spam, no scams, keeping the vision in sight.